£9.15 to go to Brighton. We've got 701 for one. It's 3 minutes early. We'll put 3 bridges. 3 bridges. Cambridge from Brighton. You go out here, please. You go out and you see. Can you see me from the window? Can you do that? Can we do that? Oh. We need to pull the fuck. We're going to do that again, like 7 days. Yeah. No, we do. Yeah, we take McDonald's. Oh, there's nothing to the right, so they're leaving. Start leaving. Okay. So I'm to 141 to Bryson from Bedford. New some service to Cambridge. To Cambridge, yeah. About 13 minutes, we've got 15 minutes. Okay, no space, no minutes on it. So I'm going to Dalton from Peterborough. We're from Peterborough. Huh? Someone's 155 again, but for Peterborough.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
It says Peterborough problem. Huh? It's only red 387s. 211, 218. We used to be in coach number 2. We used to do that at that house though. Somehow, 1, 2, 3 bridges in Bedford.
Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear.
See? 377s. 8 minutes, okay? 8 minutes to get that one, okay? 8 minutes. 712 bridges. LE 93677 to London Victoria. With a power class 377 Electro Star. So leading, we got 377 to 10. 377 to 10. Pantograph. And the rate is 377 450. And I see the exact service in London Victoria via Reading. It was 377 436 105. And a couple of we had to hook up to the right gate one. There, stand here.
Angmering and Littlehampton. This train is full of 8 coaches.
No, 337, so it's to Littlehampton. There, 376 again.
And Angmering. 7 coaches. passengers for West Worthing and
That's 4 minutes left, 3 minutes yet, I want to start early.
front 6 coaches. Passengers for
37744.
5 coaches. Please note, some of the lifts at Hayward Sea are currently out of service. Please see to Reverend Sutton if you need further assistance.
Got real things. Do you see that Victoria going, Stephen? And it's like 93677, it's another Victoria, isn't it? You go here, please. You can't see my way. You can go stand there, sir.
5, 09,
Here.
32, Southern.
Nice. 277 on the Victoria from. Oh!
East Croydon, Clapham Junction, and London Victoria. This train is
Oh, look, it's present. New train again! Next head, power class 387s. The 932 to the Hampton was about 5 minutes late. 38711. Oh, 302. C2C again. Looks like XC2C again, the blue doors. And then 377151's on the rear. And the rear is 38707. And the 93677's always 5 minute late, we're class 387s again. Might be white ones. It's got a British Railway sign, everybody's. There's the white one again. 302 again. GX half. Oh, she's the real again. It's 173. 173 again. We're handed building yet. Oh, 37123. With you on it? Or once. It's 173 where? That logo's different. Yeah, whereabouts? 9 for 26, 7, or 2, or 387, 123 with GN colours. The DN one is recent transfer. And then the R29 factor one, some Gatwick Express up to Brighton. It's only got 387s. Oh, looks like it's extra Russell Road 37173. Bedford one. Here's the only red ones, yeah. Whiskey case number 2, that will be it for this time. Thank you so much. Best Bedford. Oh no, in fact, 272 Bedford. 70153. Yeah, 70153. Here's 37211. It's 2 1 over there. I'll with you go there, I'll go there. Go, George. That's the soft train.
Sorry, please
Sorry.
get out of the way. I'm not doing an assistant.
Oi! It's the red light. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Sorry.
This is